On Alarm 2, let's find out why 13 years later I managed to buy a brand new live demo unit and it's still sealed. All answers will be answered in this episode of unboxing. Another unboxing, and this time with the new setup and the new look how I did it. With my purple mat this time on the Mac instead of the Lenovo ThinkBook. Let's see how good it is. You guys asking what the hell did I buy? I mean, I have sort of an idea what it is. Personal information on it? No, there's no personal information on this. Okay. Open. Wow. Okay, fine. It's such a good. Oh, there you go. It's this. It's a Samsung Galaxy S4 Live demo unit. As you can see, not for sale. Shit, it's still sealed. I might buy another one of these from the seller. If these are sealed, okay, that's actually kind of cool. Keep one sealed forever in its tomb. Okay, there you go. It got the screen protector. I was thinking about it. And yeah. And also being joined with Aeronook from Aero from the Aeronook. This was literally brand new in box, by the way. Like looks like sealed. Like it had the you know the package thing. Oh, it's empty. You don't get anything else in the box? Really? No charger? Oh, curse you. Not even extra packing material? Nope, just the phone and the box. Okay, let's see. Oh no! It came with the extra packing material, like to show off the to have like the thing, but it by the life demo unit. It didn't have the like charges anything in the box. God damn it. I mean, were you expecting like one of those phone stands in the exchange with the security alarms attached? I mean, I could. Okay, it just turned off. Yeah. Ooh, screensaver. The XS4 has 5-inch AMOLED screen. We have it. Okay, I don't want to get into the demo. This is going to be a future video of what this demo has. But do you have audio in your screensaver? There's two. Wait, Samsung Tactiles.
Wait, what?
What the hell is this? The hell is Samsung Tactiles?
I have no idea. Tap on it.
What?
Oh, I think I know what this is. It's automations with NFC tags, probably.
Ah, could be.
At least it sounds like it. It sounds like you could set up an automation like on the app and then scan new NFC tag. You touch the button and boom, it activates all the things you need. And to be fair, we have this nowadays. It's called Samsung Routines, I think. Yeah, modes and routines.
Ah,
At least it sounds like that's the idea.
I know. It doesn't have a sound, even though it's enabled.
Maybe the speaker isn't working, because at least on RDUs it does work.
I wonder, does it have any music that I can test with?
I mean, don't forget media volume turned all the way down and all the rest of the other stuff.
Oh, that's why.
And media volume as well, don't forget.
Yes, I know. So now if I put it back on, wait until it goes into depth. These are just too up. That's totally not annoying when you're in a phone store. But yeah, that's the S4 demo unit. Actually, hold on a second before I want to check something out. Let's see if it actually says on the back line.
There's also another little thing you can do with the S4.
Ooh, I can buy a couple of these for parts. I actually could steal the screens off of these because these are i905, not i9-500, like I have screens for.
Yes. But here's the funny thing. With the retail mode stuff on these S4s. So you have the regular full screen screensaver, right?
Yes. The cover.
There's also the S cover version in the same APK. So if you have an S cover, flip on and you get like a little smaller version of the same screensaver.
The thing is, I don't have an S cover.
I'm pretty sure they're cheap to use.
Fun. But this episode of unboxing ends here. Thanks for watching to the end. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe. Or you can scroll down for more information.